One function in the passage of including information about Mount Vernon and Martha Washington is to create a contrast between George Washington's A. Carefree, casual demeanor around his family and his stern aspect with the advisors and aides. B. Idyllic established home life and the uncertainty of what was to come in his public life. C. Restlessness at home and his calm, collected sense of industriousness as president. Or D. Enjoyment of a private home life and his dislike of working without close advisors in the government. So, as we see in the last paragraph, at 10 o'clock I bade adieu to Mount Vernon, to private life and to domestic facility, and, with a mind oppressed with more anxious and painful sensations than I have words to express, set out for New York, with the best dispositions to render service to my country in obedience to its call, but with less hope of answering its expectations. A mixture of bittersweet sensation, wondering whether or not he would come home again. So from here we can see that they've mentioned about Martha's feelings about whether he'll come home or not, to show that his public life was going to be very uncertain. And from here we see that he had a very nice, comfortable life in Mount Vernon, which was private, and he was very happy in it. And now he had to set out for New York to serve his country without knowing what was going to come. And hence, we can say that the reason they are mentioning Mount Vernon and Martha Washington is to clearly emphasize how idyllic his home life was and how uncertain his public life was going to be. Hence, we choose option B.